Step number 4. In this video, we'll talk about how to set conditions in which Formtitan will query the Salesforce data. So, in the last video, we spoke about how to choose your object, how to add comments. Now we're going to focus on conditions. Okay. So set conditions is where you specify a condition in Formtitan in which it will query the data from Salesforce. When you're using a URL parameter, you will use most likely your contact ID, which is the Salesforce field. And that contact ID is this here. This is the contact ID, okay? You will say that contact ID must equal your hidden field, which is contact ID. So remember how we're populating the contact ID via URL, and then what we're saying is in that contact ID must match the contact ID in Salesforce, and based on that, bring me back data. You can really get funky with this, so you can add new conditions, and then you can say and, you can say or, you can use brackets. So the possibilities are endless here. And this is really, really important to set if you're doing a get, because without conditions, Formtitan will not execute anything because it doesn't know what to execute on. But for your parameters, when you're using a URL parameter, use that hidden field and make sure the value in the hidden field is equal to the field that you select in the CRM field. So these are all Salesforce fields, and I've just simply said contact ID equals my contact ID hidden field. That's it. And then you click apply. Next up is if multiple matches take ID from. I have a separate video for that, so you can watch that in this course. Same here, if not found, run. I will put separate video for each of these elements here, so you really get a deep understanding for what they do. But for now, I'll give you a quick overview. So what multiple matches is. For example, if my contact ID, if Joe Blogs, which is the contact ID I'm bringing back, if there are 5 Joe Blogs, this is going to say which one to bring back, the first, the last Joe Blogs, or shall we skip the query or bring every single one of them? I'm just going to say bring back first. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about rule condition, and then we'll go from there.